Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4 so quiet. So the first one, I recommend to remove ear tips from your left and right earbud, or if you have the problem with one earbud, just from the one, and clean the grill. So you can use a brush or toothbrush if you have a cleaning tool, and just slightly clean it. At this channel we have video how to clean this earbud, so you can check it if you don't know how. Next, maybe your problem that your earbuds just too old. And maybe you need to also contact customer service. But if you have the problem with only one earbud, we can do something. It wasn't totally fully fixed, but it can help you. So firstly I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what's more similar to visually, more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings. Enter into Accessibility, and then scroll down again, and in the hearing we have Audio and Visual line. Tap at this line, and then scroll down again. So right here we have audio balance. If you have a problem with the right earbud, just move the slider to the right, and we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left. And if you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. Now, if you have this problem with the left earbud, you can move the slider to the left. If you have previous version that is 26, you can just tap at the best one place, but if you have 26, at least right now, you need to only move the slider. And we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility, what located, at least on stock Android, at the bottom in the settings. Enter into Accessibility, and then we need to scroll down again and find Audio Adjustment, what also at stock Android, located at the bottom. So tap at this line, and right here we have Audio Balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, and we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. If you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, and we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!